So this is the background I want to use, and is a pro background, which is a program background which I have already I'm using for free. If you want me to show you a video on how to use Canva Pro for free, you will let me know. Just type it in the comment section. So I'm going to change. First of all, remove the background of this picture. Then I will come to edit. Then come to remove background. As you can see, this is a pro. This is a pro Canva effect, but I'm using it for free. All of them for free. So I'm going to remove this background first. Let's wait for it to finish. As you can see, the background, we are done removing the background of this video, of this picture. So let me make it big so that you will be seeing what we are doing. I'll also click on it again, go back, come to magic edit. What do I want to do? I want to change the dress to red. I have to reduce my brush because it's too, or increase it based on the size of what I want to do. Also increase my this thing here. Don't want it to stress me. Then that's to clean. Then I'm done. I'm done cleaning. I will tell it to generate. Let's wait and see the magic is going to do right now. As you can see, it has changed the color of my clothes to red. So it depends on the color red you want. I'm supposed to maintain this first color so that it will be easy for us. I did not maintain it, so I have to go back to remove the background again to maintain it. So before you start to change color, or before you start anything, if you want to edit it, you do them before anything. Like this one, I want to make it brighter, so I can say go back here with this place. Also change the color. If I don't like this red, I can change it with sharper red. Let's see. I want to bring it out so that we can see it very well. Edit, tell it to magic edit, change the dress to white. Then have to clean like before. Clean. When you hold your mouse, if it is mouse you are using, you have to hold the right one and also hold and use the left one to do your cleaning. If it is laptop, you press your left mouse and also use the right one to clean. And tell it to generate. Let's wait. I think we should pick this. So I'm going to even copy it to this page. Paste. Fix it. Come here. Go to edit. Come to magic edit. Tell it to change this one to pink. Change the dress color to pink. Yeah, I like pink. Clean it. Please do a neat cleaning. If you can do better than me, do. If your hand can be stable more than my own, please do. Okay. Tell it to generate. The essence of this video is to enable you to, is to enable you to, is to enable you to, is to enable you to have more pictures for easy video making. That is the essence of this video. Then I'll tell it, I don't like what it generates. Let me tell it to generate again. It's still giving me the same color. So let me change it. Okay, I think this is better. So I go back. I'm going to copy it. Copy and put it here. So I'm going to do another one. You can keep doing it until you get the color you want. Let me try this again. I want yellow. Then tell it to generate. Okay. Okay. Like this. Let me check this. No. I think this is brighter. Copy it. Come here. Now I can now put my caption. And can I put my caption and also save this so that anytime I just want a picture, I will come and take it. So this is how it is. Why I left this space is so that I can be able to, write what I want to type in there. This is how you can change your shirt color with different colors. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. See you in my next video. Bye.